everybody, welcome to HiKears. In today's video I will be showing you how to scale an object in Blender, as well as how to scale an object along an axis in Blender. Like always, I will have my screencast keys enabled at the bottom left of my screen, so anything I do will show up there. With that being said, let's get into the video. To scale an object in Blender, it's really simple. All you have to do is select the object you want to scale. Hold on, let me get in a better view for this. Select the object you want to scale, and then press S on your keyboard. As you can see, the object now has a white outline, and if I move my mouse, the object will be scaled accordingly to where my mouse is on the screen. So if it's going outward, it's going to get bigger. If it goes inward, it gets smaller. To finalize it, you right or left click again, and to cancel it, you would right click. Now, this is mostly used for trying to get things to be size accurate and stuff, but if you want to only scale, like make it taller or make it wider or something like that, what you'd want to do is you'd press S like you would normally, but you'd click Z, X, or Y, depending on what axis you want to scale it on. And as you can see, if I scale it on the Y axis, it will only move on the Y axis and not the Z axis or X axis. Or let's say you wanted to scale an object on every axis but the Z axis. Then you would hold Shift and Z, and as you can see, it's scaling just not on the Z axis. This also works for the X and Y axis too. But I hope you found this tutorial useful, and if you did, make sure you like and subscribe. And with that being said, goodbye.